Hi, today we'll be drawing Megumi Fushiguro from Jujutsu Kaisen with markers. But before we dive in, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're enjoying the content, consider joining our membership to support the channel. Let's start by crafting his face frame, outlining the chin and jaw into an angular shape. Next, add ears on each side to complete the head outline. Time to focus on eyes and eyebrows, giving Megumi that expressive look with sharply defined features. Let's give Megumi a subtle mouth expression. With a few marker strokes, sketch the neck. Finish up by outlining Megumi's iconic spiky hairstyle. Now comes the fun part, coloring. Add dark shades with highlights to the hair and warm skin tones to the face and neck. Enjoy creating Megumi's look.